Okay, hello YouTube again. I'm just like showing you my lockpicks that I made. I made them actually a few months ago, but I didn't really think they were kind of anything special. And then loads of people put videos on YouTube on how to make lockpicks, and then I thought, oh well, might as well jump on that bandwagon. I made mine out of hacksaw blades, simply taking about that much, snapping off, and then using a Dremel. And if you can see it there, I've got like this little extension thing, so then I can have it hung up, and just it has a cord that comes down and this little motor. This grinding thing is kind of done. But that's how I did it, and I used a cutting disc as well to kind of get the body from about here to about there. I just used the cutting wheel and cut in and along and then up again, and then I used the grinding wheel just to make this little kind of, where is it, indentation on the end. See if we can get that a little bit better. I'm missing some, there we go. I need some dark to show it on. There you go. That's better, hopefully. It's made a little kind of flick at the end. So that's how I made this pick. I made the tension wrench out of a hacksaw blade, but it was like a mini one. It goes on a little hacksaw like this. I bought a pack of 10. These are really old. Like, they were in the back of my garage for like ages. Just discovered them. They do bend, unlike the pick, which is made of a big hacksaw blade. The junior hacksaw blades don't. They bend because they're made of like stainless. They're made of like steel or something, not made of carbon steel, I believe. The big hacksaw blades are made of. These are just made of steel, so they bend quite well. I just got a pair of pliers, or 2 pairs of pliers, and then just bent it. Then put a half twist in, just so then when you've got the, god damn it, I hate having to film with one hand. Oh, this is the way. There we go. Just then when you've got the tension wrench in, you've got a flat surface to push on with your finger, instead of a hard edge. So it means that you can put your finger there for longer. And it means you can pick for longer, if you're not very good like me. Some people do like to make tension wrenches out of Allen keys. I had one here a second ago. See, oh, there we go. It's okay, like they sand it down on the sides and it fits into the lock. This one doesn't actually fit in. They're not sanding down, but then I find that doesn't actually give any flex, so you can actually break the pins in the lock by turning the barrel too much. I did give mine a cooler black paint job, but then it kind of got worn away where the pick enters the barrel of the lock, so it's kind of cool. The reason the handle's a bit worn is because I did actually have a really cool nylon, like I used this nylon string here and wrapped it around real tight to make a little handle, but then that kind of came off. The reason they're quite small is I made them so they just fit into my wallet, so I don't have to have a separate case for them. I can always have them handy. I don't really want to break into people's houses or, steal bikes. I just think it's a rather handy little skill to have, so that if you do ever need to get into a lock, I don't know, like murderers lock you up or something, then you can escape. But also it's quite a good pastime, something to practice. It's quite a good skill to show off to your mates. And also I bet it's quite a thing to get the ladies. Alright, hope this helped. As usual, I wasn't prepared enough to show you to make one now. I know that's what you all want, but one day maybe I will. One day maybe I can be asked to make one live. But I don't think I've actually made anything live. I will. My next video will be me making something live. Well, not live, just on camera, rather than me showing you what I made and then explaining how I made it. Yeah. Maybe I will. Okay. Next time then. Bye.